Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jeff Flash, and we are still continuing with the Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up series. This time we have Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 10, and then after this one, it'll be Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 11, and that'll pretty much put an end to the Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up series for now. So I'm not going to waste any time. We're going to go right ahead and get it right into it, shall we? So like John Cena and Triple H always say, your time is up, my time is now. It's time to play the game. Now let's do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Just reading that thing. Money. Ooh, we're starting off strong on Monday. Jeff Hardy. He turned his head. I like that. That's Jeff Hardy, baby. I like doing the dance. Kick clips. That was a good one. I just love that dance. Extreme. Oh, I get it. Extreme. I get it. Alright, Tuesday. Ooh, AJ Styles. Is it gonna be the beginning of his theme, too? Oh. Okay, perhaps it'll be that then. I remember that. What the? How does he got AJ Styles gloves on? Okay, that's awkward. And somehow Kid Clips is actually winding up wearing AJ Styles gloves. Wow. Okay, that was very, very awkward. It's pretty cool, though. I bet he must have ordered them or something online or something for him to be looking like that.
This is the bed Kid Clips sleeps in. Can't believe I slept with these gloves on.
Oh, that's what happened. Okay. Wednesday. Ooh, it's the Rated R Superstar Edge. That was funny. That was good. Like he did not expect that. He goes right back to sleep. And just throws the phone. Thursday. Oh, James Ellsworth. What's it gonna be?
Any man with two hands has a fighting chance. Any man with two hands has a fighting chance. Any man with two hands has a fighting chance. Any man with two hands has a
I don't think I remember that, to be honest.
Any man with two hands has a fighting chance. Any man with two hands has a
I really do not remember that.
Any man with two eyes should keep on sleeping.
Good one. Friday. Ooh, Naomi. I think I know what this is. Oh man. This makes a lot of sense. These may be fake, but it just... Well, he certainly ain't pleased.
Sleep is amazing.
He was not happy with that.
Alarm was not made.
Kid Cliff certainly was not happy about that. Saturday. Batista, okay. I think I know what it might be, but we'll see. Yep. What was his theme? I really hope someday Batista returns. Oh, never mind. Batista will come back. I remember they said on SmackDown Live or something, a 1000th or something episode that the Evolution will reunite. So all four members, Triple H, Randy Orton, Batista, and Ric Flair will all come back. So yeah. Well, Randy Orton's already on SmackDown, so yeah, we'll see Triple H and Batista and Ric Flair come back together as well. That would be pretty cool. What's Kid Clip's gonna do? I remember that. I saw that video when Batista was getting ready for some match, whatever. Fans snuck backstage, and he was doing his best Batista impression when he was doing that. Sunday. Elias Sampson, okay. Okay, that's annoying. Okay, can you please turn that off? Thank you.
Won't wake up early.
Oh. Nice respawn. Nice.
Thanks for watching.
I don't really like Elias anyway, so.
You hit that like button, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment with any more alarm clock ideas.
Sorry, that was my dog. He was
Until
wanting in
next
the room.
time,
My mom's letting him in. Sweet! Okie dokie then. Oh well. Alright. So that'll be it for today, you guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you dislike, give a thumbs down. Join me next time and we will react to the very last video for the Funny WWE Long Clock Wake Up series, and that is Funny WWE Long Clock Wake Up number 11, and then after when we react to that, it'll pretty much be the end of the Funny WWE Long Clock Wake Up series, at least for now. But until then, this is going to be Joe Flash signing off, and have a good day.